Hello everyone, welcome to Gran Turismo 7. Today I'm going to be walking you through the special controls that the Toyota HiMedic Ambulance features. So first we have turning the hazards on and off. For me the hazards are L2. When I turn the hazards on, a voice announces something. When I turn the hazards off, a voice announces something else. When I press R2, which is the horn button for me, just a quick tap, you get the bee-boo. If you hold the horn button while the bee-boos are going, you get the wee-woo. You turn all that off by tapping R2 again. You hold R2 while the bee-boos aren't going, it's just your regular horn. There you go.